So even though we had been around for around 20 minutes at this point, I was already completely lost. My sense of direction was non-existent. When people say it's like a maze down here,